Pumpkin is the flavor of fall. Heck, it's even the mascot of fall as well. So we say combine the flavor and the shape for a decorative, delicious treat. Maegan Brown is joining me through the screen with the details. Maegan, what a cute dessert. I have to imagine this is a family favorite or a party hit for you.
Yes, these are just the cutest, easiest party treat you could have during the fall season.
All right, how can we do it at home? Show us.
Oh, they're so easy. The beauty of them is they're no-bake. So most pumpkin pies, of course, you have to bake them, but these are no-bake. It starts with cream cheese and powdered sugar. So you'll mix that together really, really well. And then once that's mixed together, you'll add your pumpkin, of course, along with some vanilla and some pumpkin pie spice. So you'll have all that and you'll mix it together. It becomes this beautiful batter that looks like pumpkin pie filling.
Which I'm just going to pause. This is a good reminder to stock up on your pumpkin pie spice because in a month, not going to be so easy to find. So thanks for that grocery note.
Yes, I actually heard today that it is low in stock and hard to find already. So
okay,
I'm going to stock up today as well.
We've been warned. Yes, yes.
Well, next comes the most delicious part, graham cracker crumbs. So no pumpkin pie would be complete without a perfect graham cracker crust. And we're putting it right into the mix. And once you get that all mixed together, it creates this beautiful, delicious, thick batter that tastes just like pumpkin pie. I kid you not, it is so delicious. So once you have the batter, you're going to put that in the fridge for about an hour. And it will chill. And once it's chilled, you'll form it into 1 tablespoon size balls. And you're going to then roll those balls into some crushed graham cracker crumbs. And it just is a nice, beautiful coating. And you could, of course, serve them like this, but the baker mama cannot just serve pumpkin pie bites like this. We are going to have to turn them into little pumpkins and little pie shapes, which is so easy. I swear these take like minutes. You'll use a toothpick and you'll create the lines of your pumpkins easily with a toothpick. This is the fun part to get the kids involved. And then the cutest part, you take a chocolate chip and press it into the top. And
okay.
That is your
Listen, you baker mama. Sometimes those little details require a lot of extra. That was so simple. Toothpick for the lines, chocolate chip for the stem. Adorable. They kind of remind me of cake bites. I mean, without the cake and the frosting, but you see where I'm going, kind of that self-contained little filling-like treat. They're darling.
Yes, and you can prep them in advance, have them in the fridge, ready to go, and they're perfect for like a potluck or just to set out. Everybody just wants a little bite, and that's what it's all about. I also like to turn some into little pie shapes, and then I top them with a white chocolate chip so it looks like your whipped cream is on top.
Okay, you're killing me. You're killing me. So cute. How long will they store in the fridge?
Let's see. I think these will last a couple weeks. There are 5 days, I would say. Maybe less.
Cream cheese is on our side. Yeah, sort of a little truffle, but that pie shape with the whipped cream, the dollop of white chip, that's adorable. All right, Maegan, thank you so much. Hey, before we say goodbye, you released a new cookbook earlier this week. Congratulations. It's called Brilliant Bites. Tell us about it.
It is, I'm so excited, thank you. It is filled with 75 charming and delicious small bites for truly any occasion. We're talking party bites, snack bites, holiday bites, dessert bites. They're just something for everyone and anyone and any occasion in this book, and I'm just so thrilled that it is out.
Well, your books are beautiful. They're the kind you want to put out on the kitchen table or the coffee table, but the recipes inside equal part delicious. So Maegan, thank you for sharing. Congrats again.
Thanks, Brooke. Take care.
We're pulling from that new books pages with today's recipe, which you can find on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Eat a whole pumpkin pie in 1 bite is basically the promise that I like with those cute pumpkin pie bites. We can bookmark and save that recipe for this month right on into the next. So a great party treat to take to all of those upcoming events. You'll find this recipe again and others on our website, studio5.ksl.com.